Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the linear equation. So the first thing we're going to show you is the equation up here, y equals mx plus c. So the m in this equation is going to change the slope, as you can see here. So as I increase m, the slope gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And then if we decrease it, it gets smaller and smaller. Once it goes to negative, we see a negative slope. Okay, and with the c value, we see, we'll change it here so it's a bit more obvious what's happening. We see that it's increasing and decreasing the y-intercept. So now you have a quick understanding of that. We're going to move to a quick activity. So this man is shooting an arrow at 3 different targets over here, and we need to try and make sure the arrow hits the target. So we've got our y-intercept, which is going to be where the arrow leaves the y-axis. As we can see here, I'll zoom a bit more in. You can see it's 8, so I've put that at 8. Obviously I could change it. It would go lower or higher. I'm going to leave it at 8. If I can get it on, there we go. And so now if we change the slope, we can see it moves it up and down at our targets. So for our green target, we're going to align it as close as possible. And we see that the slope, the m value needs to be about 0.16 for it to hit the target. If we want to hit our blue target, we can move it down and we can see that it actually needs to equal, if I can get it on the value, 0. So 0 means there's essentially no slope, but that means it's basically a straight line. Now if we go down to our last target, we find that it needs to be approximately negative 0.16. So it's similar to the one we had for a green target. Remember our green target was about 0.16. You get it, 0.16. But now I've gone to the negative because it's going down. The rise of a run, which I'll talk about in later videos, is negative rather than positive as it is up here. Hope that gives you a quick understanding of the linear equation. Catch you next time.